Hi, this is Julie Novakova presenting Life Beyond Us, astrobiology outreach through science fiction. That is useful for education and outreach especially because using narrative helps knowledge acquisition and learning motivation. So at the European Astrobiology Institute, we have released an ebook anthology, Strangest of All, last year. It has been downloaded several thousand times and used in classrooms. And it contains science fiction stories accompanied by science essays. Next year, we are continuing the project with Life Beyond Us, a larger print and ebook anthology of 28 stories and 28 essays by astrobiologists on topics ranging from exoplanet detection to the future of SETI. And we aim to use it to increase interest in science, especially astrobiology. Science fiction is extremely useful for teaching astrobiology to both pupils and adults. And I'm looking forward to your questions.